In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share sheets in Smartsheet. Whether you're collaborating with your team or working across departments, sharing your Smartsheet sheets efficiently can save you a lot of time and improve your workflow. Let's dive right in and learn how to do this step by step. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Smartsheet workspace or homepage. This is your starting point where all your projects and sheets are neatly organized and easily accessible. Once you're there, look for the specific sheet you want to share with others. With that sheet selected, we can move on to the next step. Next, you need to head over to the File menu. You'll find the Share option nestled under this menu. Clicking on Share opens up a window that allows you to specify exactly who you want to collaborate with. This is where you type in the email addresses of the individuals or even groups you wish to invite to this sheet. Once you've entered the email addresses, it's crucial to assign the appropriate permission level to each person. Smartsheet offers a range of permission settings, so let's break them down to ensure you choose the right one. The first permission level is Viewer. Assign this to individuals who only need to look at the sheet without making any changes. They're perfect for stakeholders or team members who need to stay informed without editing any data. Another permission level is Editor, and you have two choices here: Can Share and Cannot Share. Editors with Can Share permissions can both view and edit the sheet and have the ability to share it with others. On the other hand, if you choose Cannot Share, they can still make edits, but they won't be able to pass the sheet along to anyone else. This is useful when you want to maintain control over who can further distribute your work. Then we have the admin role, which gives full control over the sheet. An admin can edit, share, and modify sharing permissions, making them a powerful collaborator who can manage the sheet comprehensively. Finally, there's the commenter role. As the name implies, this role allows someone to view the sheet and add comments, but not make any direct changes to it. This is particularly useful for seeking feedback or suggestions without altering the original content. With the permissions set just as you need, the last thing to do is to click the Share button. Once you do, an invitation is sent out to everyone you've listed, and they'll be able to access the sheet according to the permissions you've chosen for them. By following these precise steps, you can easily share your Smartsheet sheets and customize the level of access based on your collaborators' roles. Thanks for watching, and get ready to streamline your collaborative efforts with Smartsheet.